Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durden.
Well, we have some good news as we are tracking Hurricane Rina. It's now a Category 1 system. Big change compared to what we were looking at with the system yesterday at this time. It was on the verge of becoming a Category 3. So now that the system is weakening, that's also good news for our friends throughout the Yucatan. Now, winds are sustained at 75 miles per hour, pressure 988 millibars. It's moving northwest at 6 miles per hour. It's currently located 115 miles south of Cozumel. You can notice a difference in this system compared to what we saw yesterday. It was a big, broad system, and it actually looked very impressive on the color satellite. Now, this is the color satellite that indicates the thunderstorm activity around the center of circulation by the deep red shades that you're seeing. Really not that much out there. The system very ragged this morning as it is running into 2 roadblocks. The upper level winds that we've been talking about over the last couple days, all associated with the frontal boundary, and the drier air in the Gulf of Mexico. So that's really helping to weaken the system this morning. You can see on the water vapor map just not nearly as much moisture or as impressive as what we saw yesterday at this time. Once again, that brings good news for our friends throughout the Yucatan because it looks as though the system will continue to weaken, especially as it interacts with land, possibly over Cozumel or into Cancun tonight. It could be making landfall as a tropical storm. And then it will take that east turn and then a very south turn, abrupt south turn by the beginning of next week. And you can see neither the Keys nor South Florida is under the forecast cone, which is also great news as you're headed out and planning your weekend plans this weekend. So here's what we are watching, though. Models are still not in agreement of where the system will go, but it looks as though the majority of them do have that system making that east-northeast track and then to the south. So that's good news. We do know for sure that our friends throughout the Yucatan will be dealing with possibly hurricane-force winds, rainfall anywhere between 3 to 6 to possibly 10 inches, and the storm surge will reach anywhere between 2 to 4 feet. Take a look at this frontal boundary. This is what we're keeping our eyes on as it is starting to bring some rain throughout portions of the middle parts of the U.S. and into the northeast. High pressure over the western Atlantic, and we have tropical moisture to the south. Basically, it's going to be a squeeze play as we go into the weekend. Today, some of that tropical moisture could move in towards our area as Rina continues to lift towards the north. But otherwise, the weekend, the worst day of the weekend will be Saturday. Rain chances do go down going into Sunday and Monday. Threat of rip currents at the beaches. The bay will be at a moderate chop. For you in the lower Keys, a small craft, exercise caution. Near shore waters at a moderate chop. Highs today in the mid-80s with scattered showers possible. Lows will be in the lower 70s and then mid-70s for the coast. Here's your 7 on 7. We will see the best chance of storms by Saturday. Rain chances stick around by Halloween, but it will not be a complete washout. And then we do see our rain chances go down Tuesday and Wednesday. Have a great day.